heard that their police is seen there doing nothing. It is very wrong.
Government should take swift action, not necessarily the same way that they are attacking us.
Retaliation is reactionary and it attracts violence.
The citizens on their own don't have to take laws into their hands just to scare foreigners away.
I love the way Nigeria government and Nigeria people are behaving.
Several businesses of South African origin, such as MTN and ShopRite stores, have been attacked and looted by Nigerians on September 3rd, following the xenophobic attack meted on foreigners, especially Nigerians in South Africa. South African mobs looted and burnt their places of businesses in Johannesburg and other surrounding areas, resulting to gruesome killings of Nigerians. Do Nigerians deserve the xenophobic attack in South Africa? Should they have launched reprisal attacks on South African businesses in Nigeria? My name is Jennifer Adiewere, reporting for QED TV. What do you think about the xenophobic attack in South Africa?
It's been so nefarious and very, very irresponsible. Looking at history, if you have gone to history and our contemporary times, you will see what Nigerians have done progressively to the prosperity of South Africans. And you see, I don't want to make any inciting statement or making things, exacerbating or exaggerating things. But I want to clearly say, from my point of view, from what I've experienced so far from their xenophobic attack, like they said, I don't think that a civilized country could allow such a thing to take place in their country. Seriously.
I heard that their police is seen there doing nothing. It is very wrong. Well, we have worked with South Africa here. We did not do anything to them. I worked with them for how many years? So they should go and stop all this thing that they are doing. It is not good. It is very wrong.
Our government should take swift action, not necessarily the same way that they are attacking us, but there should be more response. They should show that Nigerians are important. You can't do this to American citizens. Are you getting my point? They should find a way, not all this, every time they'll come back here and say, I beg, I beg. And when they go back, they do the worst. So our government should respond in a very good diplomatic way that will let them know that we are still giant of Africa. I was a child when Nigerians were playing a role in helping South Africa to become what they are today. It's still in my head. Our musicians sang for them. Are you getting my point? My father, my mother, they did something to help South Africa. But instead of them to being grateful to us, look at the way they are paying us back. Government should stand up and respond and protect Nigerian citizens. More so, Nigeria should put this, government should put Nigeria in a proper place. Give us the necessary things that we need. Good roads, constant lights, water, and so on and so forth. Nobody will be comfortable in your father's house and you leave it to go and live in a warm man that will be treating you anyhow. That's all.
You see, we have great ties with South Africa right from their days of the Mandela times, how they struggled to, get their independence and all of that. And history recorded how Nigeria, assisted South Africa, in that period, even to the point where Nelson Mandela had to run here, had to scamper for safety, of him being executed over there. But it's so unfortunate right now that their people are turning against us and, despite the help that our previous government has rendered onto them, and it's really, really sad. It's uncalled for, so everyone has the right to go to any country, to do a lawful business there.
So what if the citizens of that country you are in don't want you there? What do you think Nigerians should do about it?
Well, if their law permits that no foreigner should come there to invest or to settle down and do any business, then that is when foreigners can leave their country. But the citizens on their own don't have to take laws into their hands.
I think this is not the first time South Africa will be attacking the other counterpart country. But against Nigeria, I think it's becoming alarming. And for the recent situations, I love the way Nigeria government and Nigeria people are behaving. Because the whole world are in action. And that tells the whole world that as far as Nigeria is concerned, Nigeria is still the giant of Africa. Otherwise, we will have faced it the way the attack comes. But the fact means that the claw of a lion does not mean it's a cowardice. So we are proving the whole world that as far as we are concerned, we are the giant of Africa. That is why we refuse to retaliate.
But no, they've retaliated by going to attack.
Hey, you can see the pages of newspaper that the Nigeria police they wake up to their expectation. I didn't think they are not to expectation. They will have row, and what we are discussing here now may be something nice. So I think why I say Nigeria as a whole is that the president, Buhari, I think he boycotted the African summit that was supposed to hold today. That tells the whole world that as far as we are concerned, we are no longer tolerate their inaction anymore. That is why I say I commend Nigeria and the police.